Okay, so we're back, and I told you I would take a look down the cylinder and seeing how I'm gonna try to show you what I'm seeing. There's your spark plug hole. That's your exhaust port. And you don't see any scarred. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap the camera. This thing's got 3 lenses. This one is shooting straight down. And we got one that goes to the left, one goes to the right. So right now we're on A. Let's see where the next one goes. That's B. And see, there's no scarring on that side either. I'm going to go ahead and swap it again. This should be C, the opposite side of where we're at. Let's see, let me move the camera. All you're doing is looking at a shiny wall of the cylinder. And there's really no scarring. That's the reason we got such good compression. All right, just hold on, pull the camera out. We're going to turn the saw around. Now this is where your muffler is normally mounted, which I had to take it off. Try to get the wing tilted up. All right, now I'm going to move you back over to the screen here. First, let me make it look straight in. Okay. I like myself. Hang on just a minute so I can see what we're looking at. All right, that's part of the top of the cylinder. In the ring.